Welcome back. We're getting more breaking updates of the NCB interrogation that is taking place as we speak. And according to sources, it is being confirmed that Riya has said to meeting alleged drug peddler Basit Parihar, who's been said to be a close friend of Shouvik Chakravarti. Yesterday, Riya, who was asked out of those 15 out of questions that were put forth by the NCB, she had claimed that she never consumed drugs or smoked buds, but whenever she called Deepesh and asked for drugs from him, it was for Sushant Singh Rajput and his friends. So once again, she is putting the blame on Sushant Singh Rajput, who is no longer here to put forth his side of the story. But Riya also saying this, that through her brother Shouvik, she had met Basit Parihar on 5 different occasions. Basit, who was a frequent to Riya's residence, Shouvik's residence in Juhu, that means that he was in the know of who is Shouvik's and Riya's parents as well. Going across to Alisha. Alisha जुड़ रही है हमारे साथ. Alisha, ये जो 15-20 क्वेश्चंस जो सामने रिया के रखे गए हैं, वो बार-बार ब्लेम दोबारा सुशांत पे डाल रही है.
देखिए, बिल्कुल कल पर रिया चक्रवर्ती के साथ एनसीबी की ओर से क्वेश्चनिंग की गई थी. करीबन 6 घंटे की पूछताछ एनसीबी की ओर से की गई थी और वहीं पर 15 से 20 क्वेश्चन जो है वो रिया के सामने रखे गए थे, जिसमें उन्होंने ये साफ तौर पर एनसीबी ऑफिशियल, जो कि 5 ऑफिशियल उसके साथ क्वेश्चनिंग कर रही थी, उन्होंने साफ तौर पर जो है रिया चक्रवर्ती ने बताया कि उन्होंने ही कभी ड्रग्स को कंज्यूम किया है या फिर जो बर्ड्स उनको कभी उन्होंने स्मोक नहीं किया है. वहीं पर उन्होंने जो दीपेश को जब कॉल किया और ड्रग्स के लिए मांग की गई थी, वो सुशांत सिंह और उनके दोस्त के लिए की थी. यानी कहीं ना कहीं पर रिया चक्रवर्ती जो है वो पूरा ब्लेम अब सुशांत सिंह और सुशांत सिंह के जो फ्रेंड सर्कल्स है, स्पेसिफिकली ड्रग्स कंज्यूम को लेकर, वो पूरा उन पर तो ऊपरी है. वहीं पर इतना ही नहीं, पर इतना ही ये कहा है रिया चक्रवर्ती ने कि ज्यादातर तक उन्होंने सिर्फ सिगरेट को स्मोक किया है. वहीं पर उनके भाई के तहत जहां पर बसित परियार, अब्दुल बसित परियार, जो कि वो शख्स जो सामिल मिरांडा से लगातार संपर्क में था शौविक चक्रवर्ती के इंस्ट्रक्शंस पर, उनसे जो मुलाकात की गई थी, यानी 5 ओकेशन पर जहां पर शौविक चक्रवर्ती, रिया चक्रवर्ती और बासित परियार, इनके बीच में जो मुलाकात हुई थी उन्हीं के घर पर हुई थी और ये कुछ 5 ओकेशन पर थे. और इम्पोर्टेंट जो देखा जा रहा है, जो मिरांडा को जो बर्ड्स दिए गए थे, जो कि रिया चक्रवर्ती के तहत वो सुशांत सिंह को देने के लिए दिए गए थे. अब सभी इंफॉर्मेशन है, इम्पोर्टेंटली मुंबई पुलिस और सीबीआई को एक सीजन मेमो बनाकर जो मेमो जो है वो बनाया जाएगा और वहीं पर इन दोनों, यानी मुंबई पुलिस और सीबीआई को दिया जाएगा और ये तक फाइंड आउट किया जाएगा कि सीबीडी ऑयल को लेकर कोई रिकवरी की गई है या जब्त.
अलीशा बने रही है हमारे साथ. अलीशा, वी हैव प्रदीप भंडारी also, because Pradeep, now look at the irony, because she says that she knows Basit because he was a friend of Shouvik and he used to be frequently coming to their house, means their parents also knew who Basit Parihar is, and now she is saying that she never consumed drugs or never peddled in drugs, and she is blaming someone who is no longer here to defend himself. She continues to put the blame on Sushant Singh Rajput.
Well, I think it's a scripted testimony. If you remember the PR interview that Riya Chakravarti did, this is exactly in the similar lines of what she said in the PR interview. But now what we found, that the entire source of drug conversation is Riya's phone. Now the digital evidences cannot be denied. If I want to explain that, but before that I want to show the viewers that this is the exact third floor. In fact, the floor there where the lights are on, where Riya Chakravarti's cross-examination and interrogation is going. And this is the area Vijay Anup will show where the entire cordon off has taken place. Now, extremely important point, if you remember, is that both Shouvik and Samuel Miranda has said that they were in touch with Riya Chakravarti. Now, Riya Chakravarti has revealed that she had met the drug peddler. Now, for her to say that it is only because of Sushant Singh Rajput is completely false, because the hard digital evidence is the drug conversations between Shouvik and Riya, and in fact between Shouvik and also his father is there on the phone. It has been revealed on WhatsApp. It has also been revealed from Shouvik's phone. And as the Narcotics Control Bureau at this moment is examining the evidences from Riya's phone along with the laptop, you will see more such things coming up. So there is nothing shocking about it, because as I've said, that Shouvik Chakravarti along with Shouvik Samuel Miranda in any time from now can reveal to the Narcotics Control Bureau that yes, it was just not Riya Chakravarti's drug consumption, but it was also the peddling of drugs.
So here is the irony. On one side, Riya says that her only crime was that she was in love with Sushant Singh Rajput. But during the investigation, when the probing is happening with the NCB, she calls him a druggie. She said that she was giving drugs to him because he was the one who was asking for, but she never consumed drugs. So look and decide for yourself as to where the questioning is happening and how it is happening in all of those leads that the NCB is also working into, and now will be also taking the Mumbai police and the CBI into confidence on the further drug angle that is being probed by them. Pradeep, thank you very much for the moment. We